Welcome to a live video where I take part in the Bitcoin Syndicate. In the last video, I told you that the Bitcoin special might save us regarding the price of Crow. It looks like it did. Demand is rising and we did a short rally. Today I will try a different strategy. I will split my Crow tokens. 50% I will sell now, and the other half I will swap against BTC. In the last event, the Crow price was fallen a lot during the sale. That is why I want to lower my risk by splitting my Crow tokens. This is what happened after the engine sale, and I think that the Crow price is going to drop after this event too. Less than 30 seconds before it starts. This time the first 25,000 subscribers get in the sale. Maybe we can hit this number. Even though I am super bullish on this project. If you take a look at the chart of Crow, it has been up a lot lately. I see the Bitcoin special as the peak of this rally in the short term. Okay, few seconds left. Let's subscribe to the sale together. I will be using 20,000 Crow tokens this time. If you haven't joined crypto.com yet, there is a link in the description. If you use it, we both get $50 worth of MCO. Now I am going to subscribe using 20,000 Crow tokens, and on Thursday I am going to show you my results. More than 2,000 people have subscribed already within 2 seconds. Hopefully we won't reach 25,000 subs because then we get less Bitcoin. But now all we have to do is wait. Please leave a like and I will see you in the next video on Thursday.